Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make widgets smaller or bigger on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you want to make your widget smaller or bigger, so you just have to follow some steps. First, you have to select the widget which you want to make smaller or bigger. As you can see, I have a clock widget which is too much small and I'm going to make it bigger. So just keep a long press on it, and here you'll get some options. You just have to select this bigger option, just tap on it, and then you can see I have make it too much bigger. So if you want to make it smaller, so just keep a long press on it, and here's the small icon, just tap on it, and then I have made it smaller. But if you want to try it with other widgets, so I'm going to choose this one, so just keep a long press on it, and here you have three options to increase or decrease its, so you just have to select once. As you can see, I have enlarged its size, and just leave a long press on it again, and then select the third option. So here you can see it is too much bigger, so now I'm going to make it smaller, so just keep a long press on it again, and then choose the smallest option. And here, that's how you can easily make widgets smaller or bigger on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.